Hello today. I'm going to show you how to lubricate your car door on an Audi A4S 401 car. This is a really important maintenance part. You should perform this, I think, before winter time, and if you go to the summertime, so two times a year. We open the car, driver side, passenger side, and the rear side, because all of them contains with highs. And we can see the highs over there. Now we use a lubricate like a WD-40 or something else, and we are going to spray focused on the highs. Now the system with that lubricant. Check all hinds you can find, and you should lubricate them all because they are all movable parts which are maintenance jobs should be done twice a year. Then we can open and close the door to get the lubricant all over the hinds sorted. Here we are. Close it and open it. Close it and open it. And then we remove the lubricant which is running out of the hinds a little bit by using a cloth, and job's done. This we perform on all the doors and all hinds. For example, your bonnet can be have this, and your rear side can have this too. So all bonnets on your car, you should make a lubricant job in the maintenance step. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.